Imagine you are heading somewhere unforgettable. What if you didn't have to choose between traveling light and capturing everything? I'm Alexandra Surkova, a professional wildlife photographer. I recently traveled to Rwanda to put the new Sony RX10 V to the test in one of the most exciting places on Earth for nature photography, the African savannah. One compact body and a 24 to 600 mm Zeiss lens. That's it. From a sweeping landscape to a distant animal, in seconds, without ever changing lenses. In wildlife photography, you rarely get a second chance. Animals move fast, they appear without warning. Having that range always ready means you react instantly and stay locked on the moment. The camera's AI-powered subject recognition and tracking perform impressively, locking into animals even in challenging conditions. Combine that with up to 30 frames per second blackout-free shooting, and suddenly you're thinking less about camera settings and more about what's unfolding right in front of you. Birds or mammals, near or far, no lens changes, no multiple bodies, no second-guessing your setup. Everything you need in one camera. That's what makes the RX10 V such a great option for anyone getting started in wildlife, travel or nature photography. Lightweight, versatile, and ready for whatever the moment throws at you. It's about freedom. Less time thinking about equipment, more time living the adventure.